Hey there, crypto explorers! Welcome back to Desi Crypto Guru, the go-to hub for unraveling the mysteries of the crypto universe. Buckle up because today, we're taking a deep dive into the revolutionary world of Ethereum. If you're new here, smash that subscribe button, hit the bell icon, and join us on this exhilarating journey. Now, let's get started. What is Ethereum? Alright, imagine if Bitcoin is the rock star of the crypto stage, Ethereum is the entire music festival. Ethereum isn't just a digital currency, it's a powerhouse of decentralized wonders. Smart contracts, decentralized applications, it's like the beating heart of a new digital era. This is where things get seriously exciting. It's not just about transactions, it's about transforming industries and creating a whole new way of doing things. Significance in the crypto space. But why should you care about Ethereum in this vast galaxy of cryptos? Well, grab your seat because Ethereum isn't just a player, it's changing the entire game. We're talking about the birthplace of DeFi, where you can lend, borrow, and earn interest without those traditional banking gatekeepers. And don't even get me started on NFTs. Ethereum is the canvas where digital art becomes a masterpiece and ownership gets a whole new meaning. It's not just a cryptocurrency, it's a revolution in the making. Competitors of Ethereum. Every hero has its nemesis, and in the world of blockchain, Ethereum has some contenders. Enter Binance Smart Chain, Cardano, Polkadot. They're like the Avengers of the crypto world, each with its own superpowers, challenging Ethereum's reign. It's like a crypto showdown, and we're here for it. Ethereum price levels. Picture this, rollercoaster vibes. We've seen Ethereum hitting the stratosphere with all-time highs and diving into the depths of market lows. Where to check current prices? Wondering where to catch the live action? Head over to www.coingecko.com. It's like the ESPN of the crypto world, providing real-time scores of your favorite digital currencies. Now, if you're itching to jump into the trading arena, I've got the golden ticket for you, Bybit. The link is waiting for you in the description below. Sign up, and guess what? You're in for some mind-blowing trading bonuses. Talk about a crypto jackpot. Before we wrap up this crypto carnival, a quick reminder, we've got a free trading course waiting for you on this channel. It's designed for the crypto newbies, the enthusiasts who want to unravel the secrets of trading from the very basics. Find it in the playlist section. It's your golden ticket to mastering the art of the trade. If you've enjoyed this rollercoaster ride through Ethereum, hit that like button, share the excitement, and of course, subscribe for more mind-expanding content. Until next time, happy trading, and may your portfolios always be in the green.